Hi guys, I'm Nasim. Welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so here is the recipe for the drink that I showed you on Instagram a little while back. This is a drink that I drink every single day to help with my breast milk supply. Now this recipe has been in my family for a really long time. It's helped me and I'm sure it's going to help you too. So let's get started. You're going to put your pan on the high heat and pour yourself a glass of milk. Now I like to use full fat homogenized milk. I know some people don't like to drink cow milk, so if you want to substitute, you can use either soy milk, almond milk, coconut milk, whatever you prefer. The sweetness part is optional. I like my milk to be a little bit sweet, so I usually add about half a teaspoon of sugar. You can also add a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract if you want, but if you don't want any sugar, you can skip this part. Next, I'm going to add fenugreek seeds. These seeds are so helpful in increasing breast milk supply. You can find these at any South Asian grocery store. I'm going to pour just a little bit less than half a teaspoon. And the last ingredient for this very simple recipe is going to be almonds. I'm using about 5 or 6 that have been peeled and washed. Now, if you have almonds that have the skin on them still, do not put them in the milk because with the skin on, it's going to turn your milk brown and the taste of the skin is going to be not so great. So if you want to take the skin off the almonds, before you start making this whole milk recipe, just soak the almonds in hot water for about 10 minutes and the peel is going to come right off. After adding all of the ingredients, you're just going to bring the milk to a light boil and then you're going to cover it with a lid, turn the heat all the way low and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. Okay, and our drink is ready, you guys. How easy was that? Super easy, right? Now, when I gave birth, it was starting to get pretty chilly outside, so I'd take this and drink it while it was hot. Now, if you don't like to drink hot drinks, or maybe you live in a hotter climate, you want something refreshing, strain it the way that I'm going to show you in a second and pop it in the refrigerator, chill it. You can even put it in a glass, pour in some ice cubes, drink it with a straw. Basically, hot or cold, however you want to drink it. It is so good for you, and it actually tastes pretty good too. All right, so we're gonna strain the milk into a cup and you're gonna see all of the fenugreek seeds falling into the strainer as well as the almonds. Fenugreek seeds, you could chuck those out, but the almonds you're gonna put back into the glass with the milk. Once you're done drinking the milk, just eat the almonds. One of my favorite things to do with this drink is make smoothies. Now, step 1, take this glass after it's been strained out, put it in the fridge. In a blender, pour in some frozen strawberries, bananas, basically whatever fruit you want, put in the milk with the almonds, blend it up. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is going to taste so good. And that is it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you want to see my other video that I did on how to triple your breast milk supply in just a few days, click the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.